Hello everyone. Till this video we have learned the basic of the latex, especially why should we use latex instead of availability of different word processor, powerful word processor, and how to do the basic formatting in the latex, how we can insert the tables, inserting figures, and listing creating list in the in the latex, and especially the division of the structure into chapters, into different sections, and into different paragraphs. And today we will see how the paragraph structures are managed in the latex. In the paragraph, when you want to create a paragraph, you just press the enter, and this new line is considered as a new paragraph. And also, if you want to go to new line, you can also insert. Yes, you can also use the paragraph command. Paragraph command. When you use the paragraph command, it will automatically insert the paragraph here. Let's compile and check it. The existing cloud monitoring. You can see that paragraph is automatically inserted here. And the one thing, especially about the paragraph, is management. Either it will be left align, either it will be central align, or either it will be justify. In the basic format, in normal, it will be automatically justify, as you can see. But if you want to uh, uh, align it left or align it right, or if you want to central align, then you can use the one command which is called a flush left. Begin. Flush left. Okay. Environment. Yes, we have created the flush left environment. I'm just copying it. uh, Copy it, sorry, cut it and paste it inside the flush left environment. And similarly, I'm creating one right environment here. Okay, so once again I'm creating the environment begin, and this will be flush right. Okay, create the environment. Okay, as you can see, the environment is created, and I'm putting some text here. Okay, so this will be flushed left, and this will be aligned as a right, R-I-G-H-T. This should be right. Okay, and the same, this should be R-I-G-H-T. Okay, let's compile it. Yes, you can see this is uh, this paragraph is left aligned as we used the flush left. This is right align as we use the right align, and this is justify as we haven't used anything. We haven't applied to any environment on this paragraph, and this is automatically justify. Sometimes we apply indentation in the paragraph, and we want to put some space from the margin in the first line. To put indentation, you have to use one command. I'm using it in the introduction. Okay, I'm using it here. You can just copy it. Set length, paragraph indent, and this is 10ex. Let's execute it. The indentation is not working. Let's check it again. Yes, it is working. There was issues in the compilation, so I have put some indentation in the second paragraph, and exactly the indentation is uh, given in the second paragraph. Usually the indentation is used in the formal writing when we want to give some space, or to give a proper space, proper formality between two paragraphs, or between two ideas. Sometimes we need to break the page, and if you want to do so, for example, I want to break the page here, and I will use the command page break. Okay, let's check the result of the page break. This will break the page, and all the text will be shown on the new line, a new page. Okay, you can see that all the other text is shown on the second paragraph. You can also use just this command to break the line. Okay, this will also break the line, and you will be uh, set to the new line. You can also use the hfill command. So there are different commands you can use for the paragraphing style. You can see that the new command is given with the backward slash to backward slash and hfill. And if you want to give a proper space, you can see a tab, then you can use the tab, and along with tab you can use the hfill. This will give a proper space between the two words, or between the line. Let's check the result in the existing cloud. I have to use the h space actually. Okay, and this is 1 centimeter, and give it as a 4 centimeter horizontal space, and with the horizontal space, this is a space given between. Okay,